Are you ready for some fun in the sun? We're heading to the Palmetto State, South Carolina. Number 4, Charleston. This historic city is known for its antebellum architecture, cobblestone streets, and, of course, its beautiful beaches. But did you know that it's also home to a large population of alligators? Charleston is located on the Atlantic coast and is surrounded by several marshes and waterways that are home to a variety of wildlife, including alligators. Because of the city's proximity to these natural habitats, alligators are often seen roaming around the city, especially during the warmer months. There have been numerous reports of alligators entering homes and businesses in search of food or a cooler place to hang out. In 2018, a homeowner captured a massive 10-foot alligator that had wandered into their garage. And just last year, an alligator was spotted lounging on a woman's porch swing. Visitors to Charleston have also reported seeing alligators on the golf course at the Kiowa Island Golf Resort. If you're planning a trip to Charleston, be sure to keep an eye out for these amazing creatures. Just remember to stay at a safe distance and respect their space. Number 3. Hilton Head Island. This island is a popular vacation destination known for its pristine beaches, world-class golf courses, and luxurious resorts. However, visitors and residents alike should be aware of the presence of alligators on the island. Like Charleston, Hilton Head Island is located near marshes and waterways that provide habitat for alligators. They can often be seen basking on the beaches or swimming in the canals that run through the island, as many golf courses. In fact, there have been several instances of alligators causing damage to the courses. In 2017, a 9-foot alligator was captured after it had wandered onto the 18th hole of the Harbor Town golf links. And in 2019, a family of alligators was found living in the rough near the 10th tee box at the Sea Pines Country Club. While encounters with alligators are relatively rare, they do happen, so it's important to take precautions and never feed or approach these wild animals. If you do see an alligator on Hilton Head Island, be sure to keep your distance and report it to the local authorities so that they can be safely relocated. Number 2. Beaufort. This charming town is situated on the coast of South Carolina and is known for its rich history, beautiful antebellum homes, and, yes, alligators. The town is located near the Beaufort River and the Atlantic Ocean, which provides the perfect habitat for alligators to thrive. They can often be seen swimming in the river or lounging on the banks, soaking up the sun. In recent years, Beaufort has become known as the alligator capital of the world. In 2018, a local wildlife expert estimated that there were over 500 alligators living within the town limits. That's a lot of gators. Encounters with alligators are relatively common in Beaufort, especially during the spring and summer months when they're most active. Residents and visitors have reported seeing them everywhere, from the golf course to the public parks to even the streets. In 2017, a woman was strolling along the Beaufort River when she came across a massive 13-foot alligator sunning itself on the bank. If you're planning a trip to Beaufort, be sure to keep an eye out for alligators. Thanks for watching. See you next time.